Yep, when you live on a sailboat, you sometimes have to go up the mast, and this is how we do it. I just headed up the mast. Any last words?
That's nice, thanks.
Brandon's got his chair on. It's a bit old, but it'll do.
Old and mildewy.
And your secondary line is going around your body, so if
The chair breaks.
it's gonna cut you in half. Babe, that's not a good place for that. Can we find a better place?
What?
Attach it to the chair.
What if the chair breaks?
Are you comfy?
I'm trying to get comfy before.
My sock. That's hard.
Hard?
Yeah. Dang. I can do this. Huh? You enjoying it? Very, very sweaty. Good workout. Okay, so Brennan just sent a bag down. This is one of our issues that we had with our spinnaker pole during our trip here from Puerto Rico. So this is worn down on one side. So we need to see if we have a spare. Okay. Just replace the bad one here. And I sent Brennan the good one up there. But we have that. There he is.
So here's where all our hardware attaches up here at the top. Anchor light. Wind instrument. And the lightning storm coming.